Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new here. Today I'm going to be styling this white linen little dress from Quince 8 different ways. Alright, so I've been meaning to do a video like this for a while because I feel like it's going to help me personally, and probably you guys as well. I'm hoping that's the goal of my videos, right? Is to really prove that like dresses don't have to be boring, and especially a plain little white shift linen dress like this. This one specifically is from Quince. I love this dress. I was thinking about getting it hemmed, but honestly I feel like it's a really good length. I did wash it and dry it. And yeah, I wanted to style it. So I pulled different pieces. This is kind of like a trial and error. I haven't tried any of these outfits out yet, but I think they're all gonna come together and be really cute. So without further ado, let's jump in. We've got some like vacation-y type outfits. We've got everyday outfits. We got a little bit of night out. I'm trying to show myself the versatility of a dress and really encourage myself to pull my dress more often and really utilize it. So let's start. So the first look is kind of gonna be vacation-y. So I'm gonna put on this little like charm necklace. I think I got this from Zara a while ago, but I'll try to find something similar. Or maybe it's from, I don't know where it's from actually. I feel like linen screams beachy, and I feel like this necklace screams beachy. And then to tie in like the little charms, I figured I would do my little jelly flats. I live in these. They're so freaking comfortable and they still smell like strawberries. So there's that. So let's pop those guys on. Okay, this is already looking really cute, but it doesn't necessarily have to be vacation-y. I just feel like this necklace is very coastal, but nonetheless. Okay, next I wanted to do a fun, like cat eye sort of sunny. And then to tie in the whole like very summery trend, I was gonna do just a little like woven bag. So this is the first look. Colorful, but still like a very casual, classic look. Could be great for vacation, could be great for really anything. I feel like this necklace just screams vacation to me, but could be worn, honestly, anywhere. And I love this. This is cute. Okay, look number one, I think we nailed it. Now the decision of whether I hang everything back up. I don't want to, but I'm going to keep it with the vibes for now, and then we'll see how it ends up being. Okay, look number two is a very like casual look. Okay, this is like my day-to-day, what I would wear like running errands, bopping around town, going to pick up my child, all that stuff. Let's pop into that. I just ripped out half my head of hair with that necklace. Cute. Okay, so 99% of the time my hair is like clipped back, so let's show the reality of that because I am an overstimulated hair girl, even though I finally think I figured out how like, oh, it's downpouring, cute. I'm going to burn alive because I have to turn off the air conditioning because it blows directly at my camera and the audio is terrible, and now it's raining. It wasn't supposed to rain until 4, but that's okay. Hopefully it'll cool things off. Okay, sunnies, my classic Madewells, and then we've got Crocs, clogs or Birkenstocks. These are Birkenstock clogs, but you know what I mean, the sandal Birkenstocks or the clog version, my go-to. And then throwing on a little linen shirt. This is like what I would wear all the time. It's just easy, comfortable. I honestly think that this length shirt works with this dress. It's not too like long. The dress isn't too long, and I feel like it still works. So if you don't want your arms out or you're going to the grocery store or whatever, having this is really cute. I actually love this, and I love this bright pink. It's just something about it makes me insanely happy. Also, if you're not like a wearing it type of girl, if you're not in the mood for wearing it, I think people underestimate that you can wear this as like a sweater over the shoulder, and it's light linen, so it's easy breezy beautiful, you know? So you can take and just throw it over the shoulder, and it adds a pop, shields your shoulders from the sun, and it's cute. I don't know, a lot of people hate this. I love it, and because it's so light, it doesn't go anywhere. It's like, you see what I mean? She's in it. We do jumping jacks. I don't, clearly, but I could. And this is super cute. So this is what I would wear like day to day, 90% of my life, would be in this super simple outfit, and it feels comfortable and so casual. So no excuses, Kelly. Look number 3. We're gonna spice her up. We're gonna do a little like night out, if you will, a little heel moment. So let's pop that on. I've never worn heels on this carpet, so I am quite nervous for that. I mean, I don't really wear heels, but these are like cute little kitten heels. I got these a while ago from Jeffrey Campbell. I think I got them at Nordstrom Rack though, because yeah. Okay. All right. LOL at my little band-aid on my toe too, because I like scraped off the bottom of it playing mermaid in the pool with my son. Okay, next up we're gonna go with a little necklace. I'm gonna do this little beaded one that I featured in my Amazon little, sorry, accessory haul. These roots are killing me, you guys, but I need to find a new hairdresser in Plano. / I also kind of want to see what the sun does this summer. Because, yeah, I don't know. I don't have my hairdresser anymore. Okay, and then for the little bag, I thought the red and the green would kind of look cute together. Is it giving Christmas? No, I don't think so. I think it's giving cutesy. Okay, I just got this bag from Zara. It's on there, it's part of their sale. So if you like it, check it out before it's gone, because it's gone because, you know, Zara sale sells out so fast. Can you return Zara sale? I don't know. Nonetheless, I don't have any plans to return this. I think it's adorable. But this is the look. Cute little heelsies, cute little necklace, cute little bag, hair back. Love. Adorable. I love it. Cute. I feel like this little kitten heel works. It's strappy, it's little. I'm feeling it. All right, let's move on. I don't even know where. Are we on look 4? 1, 2, 3. Yes. Look number 4. Let's move on. Look number 4, I feel like, is going to be a good one. This is one that I would wear like if I was at home, like in New York, kind of just like a very comfy, cute way to wear a dress. But yeah, I hope you can't hear this rain. I bet you can. I bet you can. All right, so we're going with my little rope sandals. Scott hates these, which means they're good. If you're new around here, you know. If the husband hates the item, that means you're getting somewhere, okay? He actually said he doesn't hate them, but I really don't care. Getting here about it. Okay, now to tie in the red sandal, we're going with a red baseball cap. I'm gonna keep my hair up in a pony because I'm just feeling that. And then next up, because like I said, we're giving home. Canisius Lake, my dad lives. And throw that over. Again, in New York, it can get chilly, so think of this like a little boat look, you know? Dinner. It's cute. I'm obsessed. This is like no different than just a t-shirt and a pair of shorts. I just need to get used to that, okay? Cute. Love this, right? This is adorable. I like the little like homage to the Canisius Lake. The red. I'm here for it. All right, look number 4. We're moving through these things because we got a lot, okay? Look number 5. We're going back to kind of like a little dressier, if you will. Still like a casual dressy, but a little more elevated, a little more chic, a little more cute. All right, I'm hanging the clothes up, but the accessories and the shoes, ow, I just whipped myself with that pony, are going over yonder. Okay, next up, this does make it a lot easier because I don't have to change the whole base. Next up, I am going to take my hair down. Hopefully it agrees and does the same thing it has been doing. We're gonna slip on my little maroon patent leather pointed toe flatties. Oh my god, you guys, I got super sad the other day. Two things. I was looking through my old like Pinterest, and in like pretty much every single picture when I was taking it in front of the mirror, Miss Wrinkles was just like behind there, who is Winnie, who is Isabella. I've changed her name a lot. But it like really occurred to me that this is the first house that she will not, like, she's not here. She's never been here, and it makes my heart just like so freaking sad. I mean, I love Scouty, obviously, but it's still just like one of those things that I didn't even realize, because it was like even the Dallas home when we moved back, we didn't have her, but she had lived there before, so it felt, I don't know, it's super weird. Anyway, Scout doesn't hang out with me like in my office. He's kind of like always on patrol. He just thinks he's like the guard dog, which I love that for us. Okay, this is cute. I love, this is almost giving borderline like fall look, like with the gray and then the maroony winey shoes, but obviously it doesn't have to be. And then I'm gonna feature my little clutch that I got the other day from Quince. Again, see how the darker accessories kind of feel a little more fall? This is adorable. I love this. I need to remember this. I need to take inventory of these super cute outfits that I make, and I'm always like not wearing them, you know? Okay. Cute. All right, saved in the arsenal. This is a good one. This is a good little like cute, easy, a little bit more dressy outfit. I love this clutch. Okay. 6? I don't know where we're at anymore. I don't know where I'm at anymore. All right, next up, we're going a little funky with this one, okay? I don't know how this is gonna work. All the rest have been, in my opinions, hits, but this one could go a little crazy. Wait, was I supposed to use that for something? Oh yeah, shoot, never mind, hold on. Yeah. Let's go with that one. Okay, so we're gonna change out the gold accessories for some silver. I don't know why, I'm just feeling the silver accessories. Oh wait, no, because I have, never mind, we're keeping the gold because the flip-flops have gold on them. So we're gonna keep the gold bangles. I wish I had a couple more, such as life. I could mix and do gold and silver, but we're not going to for the sake of it. Okay, some black sunnies, I'm gonna put those on in a second, but I gotta see what I'm doing. You know, okay, so this little scarf that I also got from Amazon. Now, I've been seeing a lot of girls on Pinterest like kind of tie a little scarf to kind of like their waist. And I think it's adorable, almost like a sarong, if you will. I feel like this could be a cute, again, like vacation-y outfit, like, I don't know. I'm thinking Cabo. Yeah. I'm thinking Mexico. Oh, and then I wanted to do these earrings. I remembered I put them in the bag so I don't forget, and I forgot. So we're gonna do some danglers. Oh wait, but I'm not doing silver. Hold on. Okay, we gotta switch. We gotta do silver. I don't know why this outfit just screams like you need a fun, big old chunky earring. It's giving art teacher, but I like it. Messy updo, I'm going to switch bracelets all to gold and silver. I'm gonna do both. Why not? YOLO. You can do gold and silver, because I have a gold and silver watch. So we got chunky bangles, a fun little scarf, cute, simple flip-flop, and then clutch. This is fun. This is funky. I love this. This completely changes it. If you're not a fan of it, I get it, but like I've been seeing this scarf trend all over TikTok. So, or not TikTok, Pinterest. This is so cute. Okay, this actually turned out really adorable. All right, let's move on to, what are we? Look number 7, I think. We're getting through these, you guys. Next up, we're going really simple, but just kind of a little more sporty, if you will. So I'm gonna put on my New Balance sneakers. I think without socks. I mean, I would wear socks, but I think I'm gonna do like lows. I would do low socks. Let's see if I would do low socks or not. Half the time I really enjoy it with just like a no sock look. With these sneakers specifically. Yeah. I feel like the tongue is just kind of higher. I don't know what it is. I just like it. Okay. Next, hair down. And then I'm gonna do a little neck scarf. I would probably change my earrings too. I wouldn't wear, this is more of like a simple everyday, so I wouldn't wear these earrings. I would probably just wear my hoops. The bigger the hoop, the bigger the hoe. Apparently I'm a small hoe because I got small hoops. All right, let's take off the silver. And then, the little bucket hat. This is kind of small for my head, I'm not gonna lie. This is giving farmer's market. And I would go like full straight up. It's giving, I don't know. I love it though. Okay, and then a little bag. I would either do like a big tote or something like that to kind of just tie in the blue. I like this one a lot. This one's cute. Look number 7, a little bit sporty, a little bit kind of like outside park. This would be a good park outfit because it's long enough I can bend over and nothing shows, but I've got sneakers so I can run after Arlo, you know? And I got the hat to shade me from the sunshine. All right, let's move on to the last outfit, the 8th. I think I counted right. I think we're on look number 8. See, I probably took off half my head of makeup on that. Whoa, she is really coming down. Peaks. Okay, this is gonna be a love it or hate it, and I think I'm gonna get a lot of hate, but that's okay. I'm so excited. Okay, so I got the Mary Jane Sambas, and they're just like easily my new favorite shoes. They're actually insanely comfortable and really freaking cute. Scott hates them, but Scott's brother said they were kind of funky. Does that mean he thinks they're ugly? Probably, I don't care. Okay, adorable. And then we're gonna keep everything else pretty simple. So I'm gonna go with my American flag sweater. This is a little bit thicker of a sweater, but again, if you don't live in a place where it's 100 degrees, it might work. End it off with a pair of black sunnies, and then I would pair it with my little mini Longchamp. Les Pliage, whatever the heck this is. I don't know. Adorable is all I know. It's cute. And I feel like the tans all kind of pair because you've got the tip of the sandal or the sneaker. Do we hate these? I literally don't care. I think they are so fun, so funky, and so, I don't know, just different. And I love weird, different things, and they're so cool. Anyway, that's it, you guys. That is my 8 linen dress outfits. I hope you guys enjoyed this. If there's anything else where you're like, okay, I like that piece, can I see it styled more different ways? Let me know if you want to make this if you want me to make this like a series kind of thing. If there's a specific piece, or I don't know, whatever you guys kind of want to see, or if you just like seeing a mix of different outfits, because I get that too. But this linen dress, if I didn't prove to you, is a good one, and it can be styled a million different ways. I proved it to myself, so that was the goal, and I hope it inspired you as well. But I love you guys so much. Thank you all for watching. I will have all the items linked in the description box down below, but at the end of the day, a linen dress is super versatile. You can use anything you have to kind of change it up and style it up. The power of accessories is strong, especially in the summer when it's always freaking hot. It's nice to have light, breathable pieces and accessorize. So that's it. I love you guys so much. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in my next one very, very soon. Bye. Oh.